He was just a happy little
I'm
puppy.
gonna catch you, little butterfly. Arf, 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 arf. Look at you. Arf.
Until one wrong step changed everything.
Whoa.
Trapped
Help!
in a deep
Please
well,
help me.
with no way out.
I can't reach. Just a little higher.
But someone saw it all.
Help! Help! Someone is in trouble down there.
A tiny parrot, shouting for help.
Help-y! 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 Help-y!
Again and again, but no one listened.
Help me! Over here!
Until one stray dog stopped. He followed the voice, without hesitation.
I'm right behind you, bird.
And what he saw broke his heart.
Hold on, I'm coming to get you!
He didn't think twice, he jumped in. With all his strength, he pushed the puppy up.
Almost there. Push, little one.
And finally, they reached the light.
Almost there. We've got them! They're safe, thank goodness.
The puppy was safe, because of him.
Thank the heavens, they're safe.
We found them, they're both here. They'll be all right.
And the parrot was the voice that saved a life. Sometimes, heroes don't speak, they just act.